Quick look at the Draw-Tite hitch for a Toyota Sienna. This is for the hybrid Sienna. And the biggest question of all is, does it block that toe kick sensor? It does not. So as long as you know where to kick, right about here, you'll be just fine. Now the installation is actually quite easy. You've got up to 675 pounds of tongue capacity. And if you take a peek up here, you've got 3 bolts on either side. Okay, and they're covered by little plastic covers, so you shouldn't have any grime in there. I didn't even bother cleaning out the holes. And then on this side, you got to do a little bit of a modification. So you got to trim this piece just a little bit. So I just use an oscillating tool for that. This piece comes off pretty easy. You've got some 10mm bolts, and then some of those push pin connectors you just pull right out. All in all, with a buddy, got this thing installed in under 30 minutes. If you're interested in this, or another option is the Curt, they're both about $200. I'll link in the description. You can check and see which one you like better.